the alphabet A. A is for apple. A is for apple. This is the alphabet B. B is for baby. B is for baby. This is the alphabet C. C is for candy. C is for candy. This is the alphabet D. D is for diamond. D is for diamond. This is the alphabet E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. This is the alphabet F. F is for fairy. F is for fairy. This is the alphabet G. G is for glasses. G is for glasses. This is the alphabet H. H is for hand. H is for hand. This is the alphabet I. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. This is the alphabet J. J is for juice. J is for juice. This is the alphabet K. K is for keyboard. K is for keyboard. This is the alphabet L. L is for lion. L is for lion. This is the alphabet M. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. This is the alphabet N. N is for needle. N is for needle. This is the alphabet O. O is for orange. O is for orange. This is the alphabet P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. This is the alphabet Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. This is the alphabet R. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. This is the alphabet S. S is for spider. S is for spider. This is the alphabet T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. This is the alphabet U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. This is the alphabet V. V is for violin. V is for violin. This is the alphabet W. W is for whale. W is for whale. This is the alphabet X. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. This is the alphabet Y. U is for yak. U is for yak. This is the alphabet Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and ring the bell icon to stay with us for more fun and learning adventures.